for watching this video. We came back home from Spain and we are here in the Netherlands, and we are happy to continue our vlogs about living here. And it's also very hot here, and the temperature is literally the same as in Spain, and we decided to spend this day at the seaside of the Northern Sea, and you are very welcome to spend it together with us. And after the seaside we have plenty of work at home, because we are in the process of renovation of our third floor. There will be 2 rooms of the girls, and now they are almost ready, and we have to clean there, we have to move the stuff back there to assemble the furniture, and we are passing by the Schiphol airport, and the plane is landing. That was quite a big plane. So yeah, today the seaside is the priority, because we were watching the forecast and it will be raining next week, and today is Sunday, and it looks like a perfect idea to spend it by the seaside. After that we will be cleaning and washing everything on the third floor, because also we are going to host our friends next week, and we want to get everything ready before they come, because they also have 2 kids, and the kids will stay with the girls. They're also girls, the same age, and it will be a lot of fun. But we also have to prepare the house properly to make space for everyone and make it clean and nice. But first, let's enjoy the sea and the sun and this summer. We came to a very nice beach near Haarlem. The sand was very hot, and it is better to wear sneakers when you get closer to the water. We were very surprised how wide the beach was, but then another surprising thing literally arrived to the place where we stopped. It was a food truck which was pulled by a tractor that brought it right on the beach. Of course, it was a perfect timing for us as well as for other people, and we just couldn't resist having some fresh hot kibbeling with potatoes. And frankly, guys, we have never seen something like this. We have never seen a food truck coming right to the beach by itself and then leaving.
25. You want a drink? Yes, look. Hi. Hi. Push kibbeling ga je?
We are home, and as you see, we are a bit red after the beach, and we really like this place, and I think we will go there more frequently. We liked also the road to this beach. It's very picturesque, the houses are very beautiful, but it's time to get back to the duties. And now I'm in the Ava's room, in the new Ava's room, and I will film a separate video about the whole renovation process, because I know some of you guys are interested in how typical Dutch house looks like and what can be done here. So we are on the third floor, there is still renovation going on, and tomorrow we are expecting our people to come to finish that room, but the room I'm in right now is already finished, but I have to wash the floor. And when you see that this floor is a bit dirty and there are still some traces of paint here, but don't be afraid, we will have the carpet everywhere here for the girls to play on the carpet. It will be cozy, it will be also warm for them. So we have this layer, this is kind of a wooden layer, and it is an old layer, but it is a nice one, so we are going to keep it, and I will wash it, but later we will do the carpet, and I will surely make a separate video about the whole renovation in this room. But now let's get back to home, organizing and cleaning, and it is the task for me for the rest of the evening. And Dima is working in the garden, and he has to add some sand and some soil to the plants. So this is it. We have a long evening today because the girls slept in the car, and they will probably go to bed at 10 in the evening. Normally they go to bed at 8, but if they sleep during the day, so yeah, the evening is going to be a bit longer.